how to apply for a job in Upwork as a freelancer? That is what we are going to talk about in this video. Hi there, my name is Sadiq Umar. I'm a full-time freelancer living in Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can start applying for jobs as a freelancer in Upwork. Now I'm going to assume that you have never applied for a job in Upwork. So I'm going to start from the basic, from the very beginning up to a moment where you submit your proposal and you applied for any job that you want in Upwork. Without any delay, let's jump to my computer and I will show you step by step how to apply for a job in Upwork. Okay, now we are going to see how you can apply for a job as a freelancer. In a previous video, we set up this profile on Upwork. And when you set up a profile in Upwork, they are going to give you free Connect. Connect is what you use to apply for jobs in Upwork. This is the home page in Upwork. You are going to see some necessary details right here. You can see profile is 40% completed. You can follow the guidance right here to complete your profile up to 100%. And when you finish setting up your new profile, they are going to give you 50 free Connect, and that is what you are going to use when sending proposals to client. So I'm going to show you how you can apply for jobs so you can understand how Connect works and how everything works on Upwork. When you are on the home page right here, there are some jobs right here, but this is not the best way to apply for a job in Upwork. You can see find work right here, save job, proposals, profile. Don't worry about all of this. What you need to do is to search for a keyword. For this specific profile, we are selling data entry service. So what you should do is right here, search for job, you search for data entry. You can see some suggestions right here. So you can see if there is anything is a suggestion that match what you are selling, you choose. For this case, I'm just going to do data entry. So right here, these are all the jobs that other people have posted on Upwork, the people that are looking for data entry. And you can see the first one, self-storage, real estate, cold calling. This is not what you are looking for. You're looking for reliable freelancers for a quick and easy referral tax. This is not what you are looking for. Data entry and data processing specialist. This looks like what you are looking for, but there is a better way to apply for jobs. The best way is to use a filter. Since we are just starting out, we don't want to compete with top-rated freelancers. In Upwork, there are experience level. There is entry level, intermediate, and expert. Since you are just starting out as a new freelancer, you should start with entry level. That means all the jobs that appear here, they will appear only the jobs that when the client posted the job, they specify that they are looking for freelancers in the entry level experience. These are the jobs that are posted here. That means you have a higher chance of getting the job because the client who posted this job, they are already looking for a freelancer that is in entry level. They are not looking for a freelancer with extensive level of experience. And that is not all. You can also come down here and choose a number of proposals, because these jobs right here, you can see a job that 50 freelancers already applied to. So the best way is to choose a number of proposals. If you choose this less than 5, you are going to see only jobs that less than 5 freelancers have applied to the job, and that is like too little. So we can add another filter, 5 to 10, so we can see jobs that less than 10 freelancers already applied for. And right here, because there are many other jobs, some people posted a project and they are not even ready to hire and they are just testing out stuff. So what you should do is to choose payment verified. That means you are going to see only jobs that the people who posted the job already verified their payment method. That means they probably already hired some freelancers before. So when you are applying to their job, you know that you are not wasting your time. They are looking to hire a freelancer. They are not just trying things out. So when you add these filters, all the jobs that will appear here, the people who posted the job are looking for a freelancer in an entry level, and the freelancers that apply all the jobs, less than 10 freelancers have applied to the jobs, and also the people who posted the jobs already verified their payment method. So that means the jobs that are here, you have a higher chance of getting the job compared to if you just start applying for jobs without these filters. So we are going to go through the jobs and see if we find any job that we want to apply to. Okay, this looks like something we might want to consider. Product sourcing for online store. If you see a job that you want, you just click on it and it will open right here. this is the description of the job. This is what the client writes. This is what they are looking for. So the first thing you should do is to read the description of the job, to make sure you are interested in the job and to make sure you are qualified to apply for the job. In this case, they are looking for a product sourcing freelancer. This is something we can do. So the next thing is to scroll to the bottom and see if they have any criteria, because some client posted a job that has a certain criteria that you have to meet. Some people will say they are looking for a freelancer only in a certain country, or they are looking for a freelancer who earn up to X number of money on the platform. So if they have those requirements, you should check and make sure you meet the requirement. Some client will also say they are looking for a bilingual freelancer, someone who understands English and Spanish, or English and other language. So make sure you check below right here to see if they have any certain requirement. And right here you'll see a number of proposals. This jobs has less than 10 proposals. That means less than 10 freelancers already applied for the jobs, and the client who posted already hired one freelancer and they are currently interviewing one other freelancer. So if you check all the details, you want to apply for the jobs, you can see right here this job requires Pro Connect. You have to use Pro Connect in order to apply for the jobs, and available you already have 50 Connect. That is what Upwork gives you when you sign up for a new account. So we want to apply for the jobs, we click apply now. Okay, so when you open, you come right here, you choose your hourly rate, the rate that you are going to do the job for, and the client rate is 5 to 10. That means the client is willing to pay between $5 to $10 per hour for this project. So you write your hourly rate right here, what you are willing to charge for the project based on within the range that the client provided. And you come right here and write your cover letter. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to copy and paste. You write your cover letter, go through it, make sure there are no grammar error, make sure it reflects the job posting, and then you submit a proposal. Click I understand and submit. So that's it. That is how you apply for a job in Upwork. When you successfully submit the job, you will see right here your proposal was submitted, and the client is going to see your proposal. They are going to read your proposal. If they like your proposal and they want to work with you, they will send you a message, and you will see the message right here under messages, and you will start communicating with the client. And you can see you can withdraw your proposal or change terms, that is change your pricing, and this is your cover letter. So this is how you send proposal in Upwork. And when you send proposal, you already use your Connect. Use Pro Connect to submit this proposal. So when we come back to the homepage, we are going to see what we have left. As you can see right here, we have 46 available Connect. We use 4 out of the 50 that Upwork already gave us. So that is how you submit a proposal. That is how you apply for a job in Upwork as a freelancer. So that is all there is to applying for a job as a freelancer in Upwork. As you can see, the process is very straightforward and very easy. So all you need to do is be patient and keep applying for jobs that match your search criteria, and you will land your first job in no time. Like I always say, in order to succeed as a freelancer, you need to have enough level of patience, a good level of patience to learn the skills, to develop your skills, to become really good at what you do, to learn how to write a good proposal, to get your first job, to develop your portfolio, and so on. If you enjoy the video, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.